Hey guys, it's me, Soso. Today I decided to draw a Ravinala plant as a person. Let's go see what I made. When I first looked at this, I first thought of a drama queen from the leaves. I absolutely love the fact that the leaves looked like a huge crown, kind of like King Julian's. But then I looked at the name Traveler's Tree and figured she's a sweet person who is constantly greeting people.
Before we get started, it's time for Fun Facts with Soso.
The Ravinala tree has been called the traveler's tree, traveler's palm, and east-west palm. It's actually a tree-like herb which can grow up to 16 meters tall, 17.5 yards. The leaves can grow up to 4 meters, which is about 4.4 yards. The name refers to the fact that in case of an emergency, Travelers could drink the water collected by the leaf bases. However, the taste is debatable. The young leaves themselves can be eaten if properly cooked, but are extremely bitter. The young fruit is also edible. The plant is thought to have co-evolved with the rough lemur, with the rough lemur being its pollinator. After a bit of time drawing, this is what I made. I really liked the way she looked. I wanted her to be super skinny because the trunk is super skinny. Also, I love the way her crown turned out. I like the way there's a gradient from the green to her body. There's her hair color, which is an in-between of brown and orange. That's all, guys. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. Also, you can find all my finished pieces more on my Instagram. Go check me out on Soso Digital Art. Thanks for watching. Bye!